In this video, we are required to make x the subject of equation. So we must have x on one side of equation and all the other variables on the other side of equation. And we can see that we have x on this side of equation, so we have to make this x separate from this side. So first of all, we will multiply this a by x because this a divides bx plus c. So when we take a on the other side of equation, it will be multiplied by x. So we have ax is equal to bx plus c. Now we will take this bx on the other side of equation. So this bx will become minus bx, and we have c on this side. Now we can take x common. So what will be left inside the bracket? We will divide ax by x, so we will get a, then minus sign, then bx will be divided by x, so we will get b. Now a minus b is multiplying on this side of equation by x. So when we take a minus b on the other side of equation, it will divide c. So we have x is equal to c upon a minus b. And now x is the subject of the given formula or given equation.